Hello everyone. A few of the commenters on my Craftsman 54-inch mower deck installation video asked about the belt pattern and the replacement belt number. So this is a follow-up to my previous Craftsman deck installation video, which is linked at the end of this video. So I'll show you the belt pattern on the mower deck itself. If your tractor isn't a Pro Series, this video might not be helpful for you, but who knows? I happen to know of another Craftsman 54-inch deck tractor that has the same belt pattern. I discovered there's actually a label on here that shows the belt schematic. It was, of course, very dirty. It's in a inhospitable location. It's very dirty and delaminating, so I wiped it off and taped down the edges. So maybe if you're fortunate, you'll find that same schematic label on your mower deck. And that's a good guide right there, and it's probably all you need. While we're at it, there's also a tractor drive belt pattern sticker on the bottom of the footrest. Here's a shot in case you need that. So here's a mock-up of the mower deck on the tractor. It's under the tractor, remember, so you can't normally see it from the top. But this old disc brake rotor is serving as the tractor engine output pulley. This is on the bottom of the PTO. The mower blade spindles are turning clockwise from the top view, this way. And obviously then the motor drive pulley is turning clockwise as well from the top view. That means the belt is feeding in this direction. Feeding that way, returning this way. And this is the side that's under tension, the most tension, and then that has a little more slack in it. Okay, now let's follow the belt path around as the belt travels. So remember, the PTO shaft there is turning clockwise from the top view, so the belt is feeding away from it this way. It comes and wraps around this tensioner pulley, then the center blade spindle pulley, then this idler, then it wraps around the right side blade spindle pulley, comes all the way across, wraps around the left side spindle pulley, then that idler, and then back to the PTO pulley. So here's a nice long look at the whole travel path from above. I actually already used the mower this year, and I just brought this inside and took it off the tractor just so I could make this video to help you guys out because people were asking for it. So I hope this is helpful for everyone. So before I put this back on the tractor, I wanted to show the belt tensioning mechanism. So basically, this tensioner gets pulled under spring tension, which you can see right here. And that's what pulls the belt tight. Now when you want to release the tension, which you want to release it when you're going to try to get that belt wrapped around the PTO pulley, you take this lever here that has the spring on it, has that spring load on it, and swing it out this way, and that moves the whole pulley, loosens the whole system. See that? You can see how that works.
Thank you for watching. Please take a moment to like and subscribe.